Hi, this is Dr. Edward Kondrot, and thank you so much for joining me. I'd like to talk to you about our new Kondrot program. Now, because of the COVID virus, unfortunately, many of you folks who wanted to come to Florida and spend a week with me to rehabilitate your vision can't do that. So since March of this year, we've started our home program, which has been an extremely good success. And it's a 3-month program, and it begins with a very comprehensive review of your existing eye records. And then we also have a consultation where I discuss with you the possibility of embracing some of these alternative therapies to improve your vision. And during this interview and consultation, we develop a strategy to help reverse your vision loss and improve your vision. And we formulate and program a microcurrent protocol for you using low electrical stimulation to regenerate your eye. We also use light therapy, and we do a comprehensive homeopathic evaluation, start you on homeopathic remedy. We do a urine analysis for heavy metals, and all of these things, I feel, in combination, are extremely effective to help you improve your lost vision. But I do want to clarify that this is not to replace your continued eye care. I want you to continue with your existing ophthalmologist or optometrist to get those eye examinations, continuing medication. The goal of this program is to strengthen your eyes, improve your vision, help you eliminate the need for surgery, and improve your vision if you have glaucoma, and maybe get you off some of your glaucoma medication. So I'm really kind of excited about this program. But we have an addition to the program. We have the continued care program, which I'm very excited. Most of you, after the 3 months, you'll have an improvement of your vision, and you'll probably not need the continued care. But thanks to the genius of Ning Wu, the developer of the Microcurrent Machine, we now have a new Microcurrent Machine, and it's some really nice advances. And for those of you that may be unfamiliar with the Microcurrent Machine, you might want to go to our website, healingtheeye.com, and get some more information. But primarily, this part of the talk is to for those of you that are using the microcurrent. So what Ning has developed is a 10 protocol machine. The previous machine only had 5, and we had to do a shift. So this is much easier for you to manipulate from one protocol to the next. And a protocol is a collection of frequencies which are tailor-made for your specific condition. I am fascinated with microcurrent. In fact, I am so fascinated, many of you know that 10 years ago I started a master's program in electrical engineering. And now because of COVID and a lot of free time, I've been accepted again at Arizona State University, and I'm starting my studies to get my master's in electrical engineering. And it is really an eye-opener for me, and I think I'm going to not only learn some new in-depth understanding of electrical treatment for the eye, but I'm also working with some brilliant people at Arizona State University who are doing research on the eye and visual system. So I do think we're going to probably improve the functioning and the results of the microcurrent. But getting back to the machine, what Ning has developed now is a current adjust, so we can increase the level of the current or decrease the level of the current. So this is now an exciting option, so we have a lot more flexibility. In addition, we have now the ability to program your machine from home. What that means is, in the past, you would come to the office and I would run different frequencies and different protocols, and we would check your response. And of course, you can't do that with the COVID. And even if we could, many of you can't fly to Florida and you don't have the time to spend. So now what we can do is we can change these frequencies over the phone. You need a Windows-based computer, and we have some special software that you download to the computer. I'll connect with your computer You'll plug your microcurrent machine into your computer, and I can go and change the frequency. So this enables us in a phenomenal way to be very flexible with changing specific frequencies for you. So we have a lot of exciting things that are going on now at the Healing the Eye and Wellness Center. And if you want more information, go to kondrotprogram.com. That's www.kondrotprogram.com, or give the office a call at 800-430-9328. I'm very excited. If you're out there and if you have a vision problem, you're not satisfied with your eye care, maybe your eye doctor told you nothing can be done, I think this program can help you. I'm pretty confident it can. In fact, I've published several papers which indicate that close to 90% of the patients who undergo the treatments at the Kondrot program do have a significant improvement of vision. So that's exciting. So please give us a call. We're here to help you. This is Dr. Edward Kondrot wishing all of you good health and clear vision.